Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. It is the 1st of July and you know what that means? It means it is time to make my choices for the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So with Ipsy, I do have two accounts. I have an account in my beauty profile. So I am a middle-aged black woman, dark skinned, natural textured hair. I like everything, mainly makeup, but I like everything. The second account is in my daughter's beauty profile. So she's much younger. She's in her early 20s. She is biracial, so she's got a lighter skin tone. She's not that fussed about makeup. She's not that fussed about skincare. She's not that fussed about hair care. She just likes a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So with her, when I make choices for her, I do tend to pick things that I will like. But if I see something that I think she will like, I will definitely pick it out for her. All right, so Boxycharm is a second tier box with Ipsy. They've got 3 tiers, and this is the box that costs $32, I believe, which is about 20. I'm trying to remember. It's about £26 in the UK, and then they also charge an extra $2 for shipping and handling. You get 5 full-size items in the box. Ipsy pick 3 items for you, so they call those the power picks, and then they give you a choice of 2 items which you can pick. I also subscribe to the Beauty Boost, which is an additional $15 on top, and that will be an item which will have a value of at least $40, but you're getting that for $15. So with both accounts, I do get the Beauty Boost. So I am paying, what did I say? I am paying $47. Is that right? $47 in total, which is about £34 for the 6 full-size items. Okay, right, after all of that, let's go ahead and do my first pick. So in this first account, the 3 power picks we've got here, we've got a product from Farrah, which is a creamy Malai blush stick. The colour looks like it should be okay, so that's fine. The second product is from Wonder Beauty, and it is an upgraded brows pencil. Okay, I'm not going to click into it because sometimes when I click into products, especially the power picks, it disappears completely. But it looks like the colour should be okay. As long as it's a dark brown, then it'll be okay. And the third item is from Fresh. Oh, no, it's not. This is from... Oh, this is my Beauty Boost. The default Beauty Boost is from Fresh, and it's a black tea instant. I'm going to guess that's a mask, but we'll have a look at that. And I've got it wrong. I said that Ipsy pick 3 items. They don't. They pick 2 items, and then we get a choice of 3. So the 2 items that Ipsy have picked are the blush stick from Farrah and the brow pencil from Wonder Beauty. I'm now going to go and pick my 3 items for this first account. So the first item they've given me here is by Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Colour. That colour doesn't look like something I'm going to want, but let's have a quick look. It's worth $24. This is not a colour for me, so that's a no-no. Right, so that goes. Going by that colour, I'm going to guess this is my daughter's beauty account. The next item is from Milk Makeup, and it's a Kush Lash and Brow Serum. I'm not too into that. The next item is from the Beauty by Belle, the OG palette. It looks very neutral, doesn't it? It looks very boring. No, those aren't colours for me. It looks really boring. Okay, next is Biro Apple Matcha Tea Clearing Toner. How am I doing with toners at the moment? I think I'm okay on toners, but I might pick that. Then we've got from Dr. Brandt Skincare Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliator. I don't need that because I got the Dermalogica exfoliator is it Dermalogica? I think it was a Dermalogica one I got in the Boxycharm for June, so I don't need that. And then we've got the Drunk Elephant Be Goldie Bright Drops. What's that now? Is it a highlighter? This illuminator serum features 5% niacinamide to help even skin tone, fade dark spots, and enhance your glow with a sheer golden finish. Plus, it's packed with antioxidant-rich ingredients to nourish skin while helping to protect against free radicals. There's no reviews of that as yet. I don't know about that. I mean, I like the fact that it's got niacinamide in it. It'll fade uneven skin tone, fade dark spots. But one thing I definitely don't need is glow. I am a very naturally oily skinned person. I'm not sure about this first lot of choices. My mind is going towards the Biro Clearing Toner, but I'm going to come back to that. Let's look at the second choices. So second choices, we've got In Beauty Project, Glaze Lip Oil. I do like lip oils, but I'm not short on lip oils. I've got a lip oil in my June stuff. Then we've got from Origins, Checks and Balance Frothy Face Wash. I might get that. We've got Sonar Skincare Vitamin Rich Cream. Don't need that. We've got Liss Beauty Triple Fix Skin Tint Blurring Foundation. Right, this looks like it's definitely my daughter's beauty account because that colour is like a tan. Yeah, this is my daughter's skin tone. Yeah, that's not for me. Right. Hope I've got that choice in my box. And then we've got TYS Beauty Lip Crayon Hyaluronic Liner. What colour is that? Bronzy brown. Oh dear, I'm not impressed with these choices, but yeah, this is very much my daughter's account. I think for this second choice, I'm going to go with the Origins face wash, so we'll do that one. And then in the third category, we've got from Affair Beauty Diffuse Reflections Bronzing Powder, that's for my daughter's skin tone. We've got SR Miss Glam Eyebrush Set. Her brush sets are actually really nice. They're just very expensive. How much are they charging for these? $72, flipping heck. Yeah, it's probably worth a third of that, if that, quarter of that. But I might get the brush set. Then we've got REM Beauty Midnight Shadows Lustrous Liquid. This looks very much like the Danessa. No, it was the Pat McGrath eyeshadow I got the other month. In Fembot, iridescent pink with blue flip. So it's like a multi-chrome. Okay. I might get that. We'll have a look. Wonder Beauty Glam Gold Eye Mask. I've got a whole box of those up in my room already. I don't need that. I'm not going to do the perfumes again because I haven't been having much luck with receiving my perfumes recently. So I'm not going to do that. And then we've got the Bisha Essential Duo Blush in Bahamas. Peachy. Those colours look fun. Oh, they do look fun. Oh, I do normally go for makeup, but I am thinking about how much is $72 for the eyebrush set. And what was this? This is only $20. I don't know what to get in this category either, guys. Flipping heck. I do like the look of that blush set, but I don't need any more blushes. Brushes, do I need brushes? I'm gonna go, I want to go for the REM Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow, but it's only $20. It's like the cheapest thing in this whole category, isn't it? Oh, flipping it, guys. I don't know what to do. Let's go back to that first one. So the first category, I'm going to go for the Apple Matcha Tea Clearing Toner. I'm not going to do the eyeshadow palette, or should I? I'm not going to use that eyeshadow palette, and my daughter's not going to use it, so I'm going to do the toner. Right, let's do that. Or should I do the Drunk Elephant? Oh, flipping heck. No, I'm going to do the toner because I'm more likely to use that. The second one we've got, that's that skincare. And the third category, I don't know. Right, I'm going to go to the Beauty Boost. So what are the choices here? So we've got a Perfecting Mask from Fresh. That's a default one. We've got the Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream from Biro. We've got the Dr. Laura Devgan Scientific Beauty Eye Cream. Don't need any eye creams. We've got a brightening serum, and we've got the Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturiser. Very skincare heavy, isn't it, this month? I think I'm going to stick with the Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask. Let's have a look at this Biro one. It's got positive reviews. What are you doing here? The star ingredient isn't just delicious in pasta, it's also key to helping purify, hydrate and soothe your post-blemish skin. Paired with the brand's proprietary Pro Fade Complex. Oh, it's a moisturiser. Helps tighten pores visibly, brighten and improve skin barrier function, leaving you with a calmer and visibly more even skin tone. Right, actually, I'm going to get that one. I'm going to go with the Biro. Right, so we're going to do that. Correcting cream. Gosh. We've got the toner, so we've got two Biro products. They'll work well together. And this third category, I don't know what to do here, guys. Liquid eyeshadow, brush set, blush. I don't need the blush. I am going to have a look at these brushes properly. I'm going to get the brushes. I can't be bothered to pick. Right, so that's my first category. Oh, God, that was hard. Right, I hope my account is better. Right, let me go to the second account, which is going to be my beauty profile. Right, here we go. Choose 3 products. Here we go. Right, so we've got the 2 products. We've got the blush stick again, and we've got the brow pencil again. So got that twice. We've got the Beauty Boost Perfecting Mask. I think I'll probably keep the fresh one this time. Let's do our first choice. So we've got the lash and brow again. We've got the lip colour. We've got the palette. We've got the Drunk Elephant again. Oh, Lord. Right, I think this time I am going to go for the... I don't know what to go for. Let me look at this lip colour again. No, I know I'm not going to wear that colour. No, I'm not going to wear that colour. I'm going to try the Drunk Elephant product. So let's do that one for the first category. Second category, we've got the lip liner again in that weird colour. We have got face wash again. Oh, I've only got 4 things in my second category in this one. Oh, that's not good, is it? So I did the face wash in the first box. How comes I've only got four products in this second category? And we've got a lip oil again. Oh, we don't need 2 face washes. The hyaluronic liner, let me check the colour before I rule it out completely. Right, it does look very pale. It's not a colour I'm going to wear. You know what? I'm going to go for the lip oil. I know it's boring, but I can't go wrong with the lip oil. So lip oil for the second category. And then the third category. What did I do last time? I've forgotten what I did in the third one. Right. Did I do the brush set? I think I did the brush set, didn't I? So it's going to be this time. See, I almost want the perfume. I love perfumes. But again, with perfumes, I always get that crazy additional charge. I am going to go for the blush this time. Am I going to wear this though? I really don't think I'm going to wear it. I'm more likely to wear this eyeshadow. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If I do the blush set, if I do the brushes again. 2 lots of brushes, is that too much? I'm going to do the brushes again, and then I'm going to sell them. Oh God, but will they sell though? I don't know. Oh, blimey. I want products that I'm actually going to use. I'm more likely to use the liquid eyeshadow. I'm going to go for it. Liquid eyeshadow. Right, that's it. Boom. And then I'm going to stick with the fresh mask. That is a very not satisfying collection of products for July. But hey ho, that's it. Those are my choices, guys. I'm sorry about that. So indecisive. Just that the products aren't the most exciting. Right, okay, all done. Good. Please let me know what you think. Oh dear.